The PRINCE2 Agile Implementation Guide, Step-by-Step Advice for Every Project Type, 2nd edition, written by Jamie Lynn Cook. In today's ever-changing, fast-moving, remote working, global-reaching marketplace, the key to maintaining your competitive advantage, keeping your products and services relevant, and retaining your customers is responsiveness. Being in a position to adapt to the work that the organization is doing at any time to align with the most current market, technology, competitive, and corporate information available. This is why PRINCE2 Agile is ideal for today's corporate world. It combines the governance, due diligence, and accountability that senior management requires with the responsiveness and flexibility that project delivery teams need to do their jobs most effectively. Interestingly, PRINCE2 Agile does more than provide the framework that allows executives, project delivery teams, and business stakeholders to work effectively towards a shared goal. It also provides a previously unheard of level of communication, information sharing, and most importantly, trust. Quote from the author: PRINCE2 Agile is the next generation in agile delivery, combining the structured, management-driven PRINCE2 project governance framework with the team-driven, quality-focused responsiveness of agile methods. PRINCE2 Agile and Implementation Pocket Guide gives readers the PRINCE2 Agile framework in practical terms with project-specific guidance on how to implement it, especially valuable for those who need a readily available reference source to supplement the official Axelos PRINCE2 Agile Guide. Reviews. This book provides practical advice on how to adapt and adopt the PRINCE2 Agile approach to the needs of your organization project, whatever its size or complexity. The new chapters and updated text make it even easier to apply this framework to existing PRINCE2 organizations and to those without formal governance structures, to organizations who have delivered traditional waterfall projects as well as those experiencing agile methods. Chris Wright, ITGP author and reviewer. The PRINCE2 Agile Implementation Guide is available in softcover, PDF, EPUB and Kindle. You can purchase your copy today at www.itgovernancepublishing.co.uk. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell to keep up to date with our latest videos.